But at the time, I didn't know. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Hello to everyone new to my channel. I think you'll like today's video because I've been wanting to do this for a while. And this acrylic nails tutorial turned out better than I expected. My name is Tommy and I am a licensed nail technician. Today you will see an acrylic set inspired by another YouTube channel, which I initially didn't realize, and I'll explain more in a bit. I also offer other nail content like PolyGel and have a very well-liked BOUJEE Nails on a Budget series. I post regularly on Tuesday and Thursday and also offer other random content from time to time on other days. So sit back and relax as I get into today's video. Now, I know you're here today because of the thumbnail, and you also know that I will explain. But before I do, you are seeing very brief clips of me starting with clear because this color is very pigmented. The blue I'll be using is I Got the Blues by iGel Beauty. It is a 2-in-1 powder, so it can be used as a dip powder as well, which I've done previously, and I've been waiting to do an acrylic set with it. Now, in my opinion, I felt this better served me as a dip system, and hopefully you'll see why as I lay the color, which would be important to you, especially if you have an interest in acrylic. Oh, and I want to make sure you know that it was definitely stirred before I started. Then, the white I chose is Purple White by NotPolish. I didn't want to go with a bland white because I wanted the blue to stand out with the artwork. Also, because I've always liked this NotPolish Purple White. It tends to have that milky white look. In fact, it is a glow in the dark, but that won't be the focus of this set either. So now that I've explained all that, I actually meant to cut these into a coffin shape, but then decided to leave them stiletto, and I'm very glad I did. I think they turned out exactly how they should as stiletto. But this set right here, I have to laugh at myself sometimes because I narrate through the video as if you guys haven't seen the pic of the thumbnail already. I came across this design a while back, as I'm sure we all look for inspiration, and I just love so many people's talent in art. Not only that, there are also certain techniques that I would like to improve or have never learned or even tried. One of them I've always struggled with is line work, especially curved line work. So you guys saw me do a set practicing straight line art, the Gucci set, and I thought it would be great timing to offer this video of me trying curved line art. And this particular style is one of my most favorites, which I've never done before. When I found this some time ago, I apparently saved it, and when I saw it again later, the design still captivated my attention. Mainly because I've always appreciated it. But you know how it can be. We sometimes avoid doing what's out of our comfort zone, and this was it for me. But I pushed myself because I really wanted to do this in a bad way. When I saw the design, Right away, I knew the blue would be perfect for it. So I'm excited. I sit down doing the set. I've got YouTube videos playing as I work. It's a great day, right? And I hit record. Then comes many, many days later, and I'm editing at this point. I'm considering where to include the inspo pic in the video because you guys know I always give credit. But at the time, I didn't know, or at the least remember where this came from. Keeping in mind, I said I've had it for a good while. The funny thing is, the time display in the photo never even triggered my attention either. I'm so old. It was actually when I was dragging to place it in editing, I caught a glimpse of what appeared to be a faint watermark that looked like scribbling in the dark background. So I was straining to see what it was and eventually was able to make what looked like a name, Aloe Vera Sweet Art. And of course I had to look it up. Then sure enough, up came the YouTube channel. And there was the thumbnail. Like, OMG. I don't even remember when I saved this, but you know what? It was sure worth saving. And not only that, it was even more inspiring to do. When I went into this channel, the other artwork is just as amazing. So it was an absolute must that I subscribed. I always want to be sure to give credit respectfully. Again, Aloe Vera Sweet Art. I am so happy that this happened in time before I completed this video. This design is so amazing. I couldn't help but to recreate or copy as I put it in the thumbnail, right? It became my challenge for this video. So it's my first time, guys. And I have to admit, I did surprise myself. I've always wanted to do this curved line art so badly. I love this design. The blooming gel and especially the filigree type line work, that is what got me, the combination of both. It's so beautiful and dramatic all at the same time. But primarily, like I said, I wanted to be able to do this line work for so long. As I'm finishing with this purple white, let me just backtrack real quick to the pinky nail. I laid the blue acrylic however it went, leaving an open edge with no particular shape because I knew I would be going in with blooming gel that would take randomly. So I really wasn't going for any straight edged look by any means. I did a layer of matte before starting with the art, and as I'm admiring how these are turning out. Doing the blooming gel was very easy. Allow it to create something random as you use it. You can go in with regular alcohol to help a little dispersion to your liking. When done, be sure to let it dry naturally. And I will caution you to wait a good while. You don't want it to smear or dissolve when you get to the top coat. Starting out at the top. Oh, let me quickly say this. I know this is cliche, however, that's only because it's the absolute truth. Any form of nail art will take practice, practice, practice. The exception being, of course, that you're naturally gifted. I was struggling myself, but I've been wanting to do this for too long. So when I started, it wasn't coming out how I wanted. Not to say that it looked horrible, and I was okay with it. Then, eventually I started getting a feel for it, and it was having the look that I was really trying for. I was surprised that I didn't do corrections except once. I decided to add a little bling and picked what I think suited the design at best. Thank you to Olivera Sweet Art for this beautiful nail inspiration. I truly hope I did your work proud, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have, let me know by hitting the like button and leaving me a comment. And if you so feel to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you as part of this NailTube family. If you do choose to subscribe, remember to hit the Nailification bell so you will know every time we get together. There are other videos for you to enjoy on this channel like this PolyGel done in this beautifully striking color and this Bougie Nails on a Budget playlist. Go ahead and give them a watch. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. See you next time.